Hi friends, in this video now we are going to discuss about acids, bases and salts. So first we will discuss about acids. So what we are discussing? Acids, bases and salts. So first now we are going to discuss about acids. So what are acids? Acids, the substance which furnishes or releases H plus ions in water, those kind of substances are called acids. So see here the substances which releases or furnishes H plus ions in water. Those kind of substances are called acids. Okay. So acids. So what are the examples of acids? For example, see here. HCl, H2SO4, HNO3 and CH3COOH. What are these acids? HCl, hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid H2SO4, HNO3, nitrous acid and CH3COOH, acetic acid. See here, for example, how we can say this is an acid? We can say that, see here, HCl. Which is dissolved in water, it releases H plus ions and also Cl minus. So here which is releasing H plus ions, so that's why it is nothing but acid. So this is also H2SO4, HNO3, CH3COOH. All these are acids. So now we should discuss about acids. So what are the properties of acids and what are the uses of acid and some examples of acids also. Now do you understand this clearly? Acids, the substance which releases H plus ions in water are called acids. For example, HCl, H2SO4, HNO3 and CH3COOH. Now we will discuss about now properties of acids. So what are the properties of acid? Properties of acids. See, mostly acids are in sour taste. Acids are in sour taste. Sour in taste. Okay. Then mostly how we will identify the acids? We will identify the acids with indicators. As indicators are different types. Those are natural indicators and artificial indicators. Mostly natural indicators we know and artificial indicators also we know. But here we will identify the acids with the indicators, like which the blue litmus which turns to red litmus, that indicates the acids. Okay, blue litmus, blue to red, that indicates that is a acid. With the identification we can say that is acid. Okay, then acids which releases H plus ions. Acids which releases H plus ions in water. Okay, in the same way acids will react with metal and form and releases hydrogen gas. See here, acids which reacts with metals like iron metals and form and releases hydrogen gas. Acids which reacts with metals like iron and releases hydrogen gas. Okay, so mostly acids reacts with salts. See other point. Mostly acids reacts with bases and form salts. What is the point? Acids reacts with bases and form salts. So what is this reaction? This reaction is nothing but neutralization reaction. Already you know very well about neutralization reaction. What is neutralization reaction? See here, I'll explain here. Neutralization reaction. So from the neutralization reaction only, we will get the salts. We'll see about neutralization reaction after these properties. Okay. The second property and the other property of these acids are which mostly releases H plus ions in water. Okay. So what is neutralization reaction? Now we will see. So what is neutralization reaction? Neutralization reaction. What is neutralization reaction? When acid which reacts with base and forms salt and water. When acid reacts with base and forms salt plus water. This is nothing but neutralization reaction. See here, what is acid? First we'll see about the definition. Acids which reacts with bases and form salt and water. See, now I'll write the one equation for this. See here, acid nothing but HCl. Okay, HCl which is reacts with base. Like commonly we can see the most simple example that is NaOH. NaOH is a well-known acid and well-known base. When this acid reacts with this base, what's happening? It is forming NaCl and water. Water is nothing but H2O. See here, H. When metals react with the acids, which releases hydrogen gas. So here replacement taking place, now forming salt and water. So these are the properties of acids. Now we'll discuss about the uses of acids. Okay. What are the uses? So now we are knowing about acid and what are the acids. By knowing this, we have to know about the uses of acids also. Yes. So what are the uses of acids? In our daily life, mostly we will see acids, but don't know whether that is acid or not. But here now I'll explain what are the uses. Mostly what are the acids? HCl. Okay, H2SO4. HCl, H2SO4 and HNO3, CH3COOH. These are the 4 different types of acids. So, acid HCl is nothing but hydrochloric acid. So, what is the use of this hydrochloric acid? Mostly hydrochloric acid will use it for the removal of rust from the metals. Why this is using? Mostly for the removal of rust from the metal surfaces. Okay, and the second one, H2SO4, sulfuric acid. Okay, sulfuric acid is the king of the chemical. Sulfuric acid. What is the use of this sulfuric acid? Mostly everyone knows sulfuric acid H2SO4, which is more corrosive in nature. What is the use of this hydrochloric sulfuric acid is preparation of fertilizers and paints, and like dyes. So these are mostly commonly we will observe the uses of this sulfuric acid. Come to nitric acid. HNO3 is the nitric acid. What is the use of this nitric acid? Fertilizers and plastics, mostly in photographic films, which will use commonly, and fertilizers also. Okay, and also for the and come to acetic acid. Why this acetic acid will use? Because for in food supplements like raw material in food supplements, and also solvent, used as a solvent. Okay, so these are the uses of acids, mostly hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid, nitrous acid and acetic acid. This is nitrous acid and this is acetic acid. Mostly these are the uses of acids. Now we have completed about acid and water acids, examples of acid, and the uses of acids also we have done. And come to lastly, I just want to say you about the acids and the acids from which source we are getting. This is have to know everyone, simple. Just have look on this acid and from which source we are getting. Source, mostly we know that lactic acid in our daily life, lactic acid. This lactic acid will get from the curd milk. Okay, curd. And the second one, oxalic acid. This oxalic acid will get from the tomatoes. Okay, and the other one, citric acid. Citric acid will get from lemons. Mostly all these we know very well. Okay, and the malic acid. Malic acid, which is from apples. So from these sources we are getting this kind of acids. Tartaric acid. Which is from grapes. And moreover other acids and sources also. See here, formic acid. Formic acid will get from ants. Okay, ants. And acetic acid from vinegar. And ascorbic acid from amla. Ascorbic acid from amla. No? So these are the acids, and which we will get from the sources like this kind of sources. Now we have discussed about what is acid and what are the acids, examples of acids and properties of acids, uses of acid, and also from which source, which kind of acid we are getting. Okay, and in the next video we will discuss about the bases and salts. So that is also very easy. And now see this video for the clear idea about acids. Thank you everyone.